On a good skin day every day, meet your Dream Fresh BB Cream from Maybelline, New York. It's the instant skin perfector. Packed with 8 great skin benefits, our unique gel water pearl-free BB smooths, improves, hydrates, and protects. New Dream Fresh BB, only from Maybelline.
We've been searching for the foundation for strong, beautiful hair. Buying it, applying that. It turns out you were working at the wrong end of the farm and at the wrong end of hair.
Good soil is to a tree, so is a well-nourished scalp and right foundation for strong, beautiful hair.
Introducing a new brand, Clear Scalp and Hair Beauty Therapy with Nutrient 10. It deeply nourishes to feed your scalp. Clear gives you stronger, more beautiful hair in just 7 days.
Keep scalp, keep beauty. New brand Clear Scalp and Hair Beauty Therapy. Wish 2 celebrates the 120th anniversary of the historic town of Eatonville, founded in 1887 by 27 registered applicants.
Honey, he thinks the years are different.
God. Foxy. Where's Foxy?
Where is Foxy?
Foxy. Where you at, Foxy? Foxy. 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 How you moving your bed? Foxy. Foxy. There's a butt sticking out. There he goes. Foxy. Foxy.
Well, they're not going to fold themselves.
Yeah, but
You feel guilty. For what? You can keep track of longer when you're helping a criminal escape or spending the night in jail.
I appreciate you being here, Grandma, but you were just here to watch the kids so that I can go see Allie and Lucas.
Does Lucas know how you spent the night?
I don't know, but I know I have to talk to him and I have to about everything that happened.
Well, that should help.
What does that mean?
Well, it's just it seems to me, to be honest, you don't have to be. You don't do things that you have to lie about. So, listen, why am I wasting my breath? You wouldn't be you without judging drama.